Cash Giraffe reward arrival speed depends on the redemption method, account status, and the processing steps required after you submit a request. By the end, you will know how Cash Giraffe redemptions work, what affects reward delivery speed, and what to check if your reward is taking longer than expected. Cash Giraffe uses a redemption process where users exchange earned coins or rewards for available payout options shown inside the app. The time it takes for a reward to arrive is not controlled by one single factor, because processing can involve both Cash Giraffe and the selected reward provider. The first thing to check is your redemption status inside the app. Open the Rewards or Redemption section and look for updates on your request. A pending reward means the request is still being processed, while a completed reward means the delivery process has moved forward. The second thing to understand is that different redemption options can have different processing requirements. Before choosing a reward, review the details shown inside Cash Giraffe so you know what information or steps are required. Account details can also affect the process. Make sure your payment information is entered correctly and matches the requirements for the reward option you selected. Incorrect details can create delays because the system may need additional verification. If your Cash Giraffe reward seems delayed, start by checking your redemption history. Confirm the date of your request, the selected reward, and the current status. This helps you understand whether the reward is still processing, or whether there is an issue that needs attention. If the status does not update or you believe something is wrong, contact Cash Giraffe support through the app. Include details about your account, the reward you selected, and the redemption status shown on your screen. This gives support the information needed to review the issue. The fastest way to avoid redemption problems is to check the requirements before submitting a request. Confirm your account details, choose an available reward option, and keep track of your redemption status. The main points are simple. Cash Giraffe reward speed depends on the redemption process. Checking your status helps you understand delays, and correct account information can prevent problems. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe, review your redemption history, and check the status of any pending rewards. If this guide helped you understand Cash Giraffe redemption speed, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and fixes.